me. How about at Deloitte? You talked about the veterans and that enhanced experience. What's that experience going to look like 2 to 3 years from now? Or is Deloitte going to be sort of taking that capability across to the other agencies and different people in the public at large that use these goods and services can expect these type of, tell me what's going to happen 2 to 3 years from now. I'm excited about this.
Yeah, I mean, I think, we're already working with a lot of agencies, that are represented here to do that. But I think in, 2 to 5 years, we're going to sort of see Gen AI and AI more seamlessly integrated with all processes, right? So I think definitely to start off with more on the back end, right? Like I think there's more comfort. We talked a lot about, user acceptance of this kind of technology. So it's going to start there. But, Jeff talked a lot about clinical decision support. I think that's a huge area for growth. There's already a lot being done with image analysis and things like that. But I think there's a tremendous opportunity for growth there that touches the end, citizen. And I think, finally, like you're saying, right, like really fundamentally changing how the government deals with the public, right? Like, there's so many services available, but they're difficult to navigate. And so, I think Gen A definitely has the power to really create personalized communications with constituents so that they understand what they're entitled to and make that, seamless, like I said. I think the other thing that we're going to need to see, right, is the balance that we've been talking about. Like, technology is a piece of this, but what's really hard is the work organizational aspects, right? So the integration between the movement of the technology and really making sure end users are comfortable with this technology, that we are making sure that whatever we're producing is in an ethical manner, and people's data is, really protected, especially when we're talking about the healthcare space. And then also, like I said before, really making sure there's integration with the workflows. Otherwise, it's just going to be great technology that sits on the shelf. So to me, in the next 2 to 5 years, we will see that seamless, but all those things had to happen to come together: the technology, ethics, workforce, etc.